aha mukoro ogwo gubegurumba kuru b'amashomero aga gavumenti n'agabantu buntu batandikire no kumba okwetorera tawuni y'Ibanda niko kuhendera aha kitebe kikuru ekya disitulikiti y'Ibanda. Peter Nsimire mukuru w'ebyobwegyese mu disitulikiti y'Ibanda ashoborire ngu encourage neija kuhera abakuru b'amashomero okumanya bejo kuba barikukora okuhereza abashomesa schemes of work hamwe no kumanya abashomesa batari kushomesa.
It tracks learners' performance. Since the learner joined the school, we can track the performance of that learner. UNEP provides a report which aids or guides the teachers to discuss tips to tackle the questions.
So many questions were put before us. Why are we performing poorly? Why other areas are doing well and even in particular is not doing well? So we sat as leaders and came up with what we call education transformation plan.
Kandi ekigendererwa cyo kuhika kukora system egi ninga technology egi no kushanga ngo twiza twareba abakuru ebyobwegyeso muri Ibanda district muri Ibanda municipality tibakukira kumanya enamba y'abeegi tibakukira kumanya enamba y'abashomesa.
The RDC has signed on launch of papers.
Mauricio Hernandez yokurwa mu Yes Mission kandi obirari omugenyi mukuru ashabira abashomesa okureba ngo bakozesa je encourage.
It's always, following performance, being able to know where the things are, where we can improve. It's always the only way to improve. We cannot go any better if we don't have that.
We managed to start moving on to papers. Why did we want to go to papers? Number one, we didn't know how many children we have in the district, live around the municipal and in private schools.
Nekora omu bintu byingi kikubanza nekora mu record keeping assessing learners.
Omugandi abazire b'ishomero lya Buzenga Primary School omu Ryeru mu disitulikiti ya Rubirizi nibetombwitero bwebembezi bw'ishomereri ahabwo butakora je na munonga bakagumana bahinda gutura abakozi.
Ekizibe kiruho ne head teacher obutakwatagana n'abashomesa na n'abazire na nakachiko kona ekiyabyama kateka omukasheshe nitora kora okubinga abashomesa okubarya mu rukwe abashomesa bito abakuru ababire baro tibakirobona kayijire bona yabiyo
itwaba abazire nitishashuriro mbwiri konka abashomesa bona babahindwire babatwara abashomesa bitu ababire bakugura abana cyakiriho nomwe n'abateki babatwara mwe nishomero ririyo nirifa twine eco gukora.
Omuzire kuyabuza ati iki kankigenda kuba kushomesa kakuremere uriyo mu munyakaciko yahamya ngo abakureba ngo ishomero turi kushomesa ahindura umwana mujirata amutwara.
Twagezaho kugambana bamwe abokwebbembera ishomereri biti nabo hine batugambira
tubahire umuyenzi positive tungire tubahire abakozi tubahire abashomesa washireho teacher yashaka mukwemereza abakozi ababire batari ya government payroll habaye basosho bishomera na twabemerize abo kugira ngo abinjire bago mu cyaro mu information y'icyo atunga no kugira ngo bazamu bamobilizinga
abazire nimbahereza message yo kugira ngo yitwe turi abakozi ba government ahi barukuta no rukuza buri zone ba transferinga narisi bagaruka bakupostinga
abana mbarara ishomero bongito kuryonya batento majyango mwana musomesa abana umukora amahedo ashaka umuziro kora moga ko muzire master koro gwe no mwana zo mikarasta yego bokese jwa sanga abana be chamusanga master yakuye na matogo mwande cyaro chumugwire kamuhamye achikwate master gomba muhedo.
Abazire bayihanangizwa kureka koresubwa bake mu bantu barukwesherura ebyabo.
Tebekane taho buzibo mwishomero master mu teacher mu nanga register yo na managing ochiko bumu wa PTA chairman nakashiko ke management nakashiko ke barumu.
Abwa TV West Adolf Ayoreka na Onesmus Ndianabo.